The Iowa Great Lakes Sanitary District on average run about 2.5 million gallons of wastewater through the wastewater treatment plant once a day. We could see that the long-term costs of electricity were going to continue to go up and up. Our bill over like the last 18 months has been about an average of $15,000 a month.
Wastewater facilities are high energy users, which make them perfect candidates for on-site generation. This solar project at the Iowa Great Lakes Sanitary District consists of over 4,000 solar panels at 117.5 watts per panel. That equates to over a 500 kilowatt DC system, which is estimated to produce an annual 730,000 kilowatt hours. This solar project utilizes thin film technology. The thermal coefficient of thin film modules perform really well in hot and humid conditions, which is when we tend to get the strongest sunshine in upper Midwest communities, which make them a perfect fit for this application.
This solar project is estimated to produce about 70% of our annual power usage here at the wastewater treatment plant. The concept of having solar and a wastewater treatment plant actually makes a little bit more sense after you sit down and you look at how the energy demands for a wastewater plant works and how the solar systems work. Our peaks for our demand use is usually during the day, and that's when solar is producing the most electricity. And then our peaks drop off at night. It matches with our operations fairly well, where the solar panels are producing energy when we need it, and they're not producing energy when we don't need it. One of the key things that the sanitary district was formed back in the 1930s for was water quality. And so this just kind of adds another step to our mission of conservation and environmental protection.
The power produced at a facility like this offsets almost 500 metric tons of CO2 emissions, which helps a water district green their operation.
The community is extremely excited to see this, and everybody's anxious to see how this is going to go.
Ziegler Power Systems was brought in early in the development stage of this project, helping the water district pick a site, choose foundation options, and come up with an interconnection strategy.
Ziegler was good to work with. They took care of all the interconnect processes, and it was kind of seamless on our end.
I think oftentimes people equate Ziegler Power Systems with generators, and we definitely do those. But at the end of the day, an asset like this is really just distributed generation, and Ziegler Power Systems has been doing distributed generation projects for years. Solar is just the next iteration of providing the most value to our customers. Ziegler Power Systems is really proud about how this project turned out, and we're excited to partner with the Iowa Great Lakes Sanitary District into the future.